Wait, the signal's intensifying.
Oh my God, look at the size of it! We found it!
Depth reading confirmed. Target located at 3,000 feet.
Copy that. Proceeding with the descent.
Confirmed visual on the turret break. Updating structural diagram now.
Look at this reading here.
I see it. Prepare the team.
Securing the clamps now.
Pressure seal confirmed. Good to go.
Sector 7 is showing critical failure. I need repair teams on standby and immediate containment protocols activated.
Surface to deep team. New priority inspection zones are now highlighted on your HUDs. Proceed immediately.
Team, diverge to assigned sectors.
Copy. Heading to the hull brief.
Moving on the turret now. Turret now.
Deck reading complete.
Copy that. Moving to the turret.
Meter attached.
Receiving data stream. Hull integrity nominal.
Entering the breach now. Visuals confirm the collapse. Proceeding with caution. The full analysis confirms critical failure in the forward hull and turret sections due to explosion impacts. The decision is final. Initiate deployment of the submersible immediately.
Approach slowly on the starboard side.
Copy that. Engaging cutter now.
Anchors secure. Beginning pressurization sequence.
Hooks are secured. Welding complete. Clearance granted. Deploy the cranes.
Chain 1 entering water. Maintain position. Midsection confirmed secured. Proceeding to the stern attachment point. Forward lines are secure. Copy that. Proceeding to tension. Forward hooks secure.
Copy. Taking up slack now.
Ready for tension. Ready for tension. All right, bringing her down slow. Watch the stern clearance. Easy now. Steady and set.
Starboard side shackles unlocked. Cranes can lift.
Move to the lower hull now. Copy that. Increasing pressure.
Here are the precise dimensions. Pay attention to these cut angles.
Understood. We'll start staging the materials.
Review these dimensions carefully. Ensure the cut angles are precise before you start marking the steel.
Hold it steady right there.
Yeah.
All right, clamping it now. Bring that next panel over here. Got it. Watch the spacing on this one. Clear on this side.
Hold tension steady. Okay, it's seated. Go ahead and slacken.
Copy that. Tension releasing now. Clear to unhook.
All right, let's start with the intake manifold bolts.
All clear. Lifting it now.
Connections checked and secure.
Take up the slack slowly. Steady. Seated perfectly.
Clear on all sides.
Restonics engine installed.